Hello and welcome to this short video. In this video I'll show you how you activate your Cryptoselfmade account so we can start immediately our success journey together. It's really important to choose the English language here on the left side. After that we click on the button Finance and you'll see here the basic license and the premium sales license. To activate the rotator you need the premium sales license. It costs $79 per month and you have up to 50% commission on 10 levels. You click on the button Select Package. And then after that it shows up a new site. This is the invoice and you need to send exactly this Bitcoin to this wallet. It's really important that you don't close this page. You need to send exactly first this Bitcoins to this address and after that you get a confirmation and after that you can close the site. After you bought the sales license you need to go to Finance and you click on Purchase Credits. After that you need to purchase the credits for the Masternodes and you have the possibility here to buy the credits. So one credit costs $14.95 per month. You have 2 credits for $29.90, 5 credits for $74.80 and 10 credits for $149.50. To activate your premium rotator, you need to have 2 credits. And if you want to have the 2 spots for the international rotator and the German rotator, you need to buy 4 credits. If you want to get in on both rotators, you need to buy 2 times this credits for $29.90. If you want to have only 1 spot on one rotator, you need to buy 2 credits. So let me assume you want to have the Premium Plus rotator. So you click on this 5 credits and you click on Purchase Credits. And then you will be redirected and you need to send exactly this amount of Bitcoins to this wallet. It's really important. Don't close this page and transfer the exact amount of Bitcoin to the address on this page. And then wait for the transaction confirmation on this page. Otherwise, we cannot validate your transaction. After the confirmation, you can close the page. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me every time you want. If you're fully activated, please send me a referral link so I can insert you in the both rotators. It's time to become self-made. We see us in the Telegram group. Bye bye.